Yeah, but is it different? I promise it's different. Hi everyone, this is Dani for Dani Tutorials, and today I'm gonna show and explain for all you guys at home, and then for my husband, and he was just here asking me why did I need a new machine. I'm gonna show you today why I need a new machine, guys, because it just sounds super cool. So let's jump into this unboxing because I think it's gonna be a pretty cool one. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys today the Sizzix Big Shot Switch Plus. I gonna tell the truth, I have a Cricut forever. I really never got into like cutting with dies. Maybe because I was never like a reading card kind of maker, so I think I never got into it. But lately I was researching, looking. I wanted to buy the first one, then I saw tons of them, and I would try actually to buy the Gemini one, but really didn't work for me. I don't know if because I wasn't sure if I wanted or not, and then I bought it at Amazon, a pre-certified one. I don't know if it didn't work, if it was already too bendy, but it didn't cut anything. So then I started researching, and I couldn't find the Sizzix Big Shot Switch Plus anywhere. I guess I just realized then it's being released like not too long ago, so everybody was looking for. And on my researches I realized then we have this kind of pink, they call pink, but for me it's kind of more like a salmon color. I'm gonna show you inside, like actually like sorbet is like ice cream color, but this one, only this color is sold at Home Goods. I'm kidding, Home Goods. I need to go to Home Goods. Don't tell my husband either, because I'm explaining this video to explain to him why I needed this, and I'm already saying that I'm going somewhere else. Not true. Hobby Lobby has this one in this color, and I know then we have another black version and a white version. So I just bought the first one I could find. Okay, I looked for this machine for probably like 3-4 months, and was sold out everywhere. One day when I went to Hobby Lobby website, because we have one that's kind of like 30 minutes away from here, I saw that they had the pink one, and then was saying out of stock, $2.99 regular price, and then was saying $1.99 for sale, but they didn't have it anyway, so it didn't help at all. But there was a little link for you to leave your email, and they would let you know when it was in stock again. But I thought, okay, it's gonna go back to stock, it's gonna go back to $2.99, but it didn't. I got an email saying that it wasn't in stock, and that's $1.99, and then I bought it the same day. Long story, long intro on this video, but true story. And I got this one at Hobby Lobby website for $1.99. I am not sure if it's still today, then I'm gonna post the video. I will look for the link for you guys. If it is, I will place there. But let's see what's inside, okay? So the box comes like this. It says Big Shot Switch Plus, and then it says electric, shape, cutting, and embossing starting kit. And then there's a sorbet color, and we have the machine. We have 2 bases. This green with the instructions. We have 2 clear bases. We have 1 embossing pattern. We have some 2 pieces die, and a 5 pieces die, and a 17 pieces die. Okay, so all the sides are the same. So let's open this baby up. Here we go. I opened it before, and then I decided to make the video because I know that a lot of people are looking for, and I got some messages on my TikTok and the Instagram, where could I find it, if I knew, if it's something. So I decided to make the unboxing. That's why I opened. I try, because I had problem with the Gemini, like I said before, in case I wanted to return it, but it works just amazing. So, you know, pretend that it's not used. I used once, guys. I couldn't resist. Like, who gets a present delivered at your door and doesn't open? I have no restriction. I can't. It's not gonna work. So this is the clear base than we got, and we got 2 of those. It doesn't come with like in this mess, okay guys, but who knows. And this is the pattern, is like a bunch of little hearts, and then when you put the paper, you know, you get that embossing, and we're gonna show you all that. And here you can see how pretty it is. And this is a very, very, very thick, I think it's like a 35 or 40, you know, grams thick cardstock, so it kind of embossed pretty well as well. And then one of the dies is this pretty frame, and of course to cut the triangle. And I don't want to, you know, we want to show the surprises, but like the flowers are so pretty, and we're gonna go through this, okay? So we have all the dies, then come in different packages. So like I said, it's like one triangle one with the frame, and then, you know, the hexagons and the little ones. The second clear base, the 2 bases with instructions. So this is pretty good, especially for me, because even though it comes with your, you know, manual and all the information, I won't remember what this is after like 2 days. But here you can see, you know, if you're gonna texture, if you're gonna use the embosser, which ones you need. If you're gonna, like this for me, it is the best, because I won't remember and I will not know what it is. I will look and I know exactly what we need to do. And of course they are your bases, then you're gonna use as well, okay? And then that's the pretty little baby. As I told you guys, for me, this is kind of not like pink. It's like peachy. Let me get it out of here. I powered it up. We're gonna push the power button and we're going to open. Okay, so it comes with a name. This is the front of it. It says cautions for you to don't put your hands. The name, the little, like the cricket, you know, top. And then here it's even some like a storage if you want to, you know, leave something here. And then that's the back where everything comes. Everything came, you know, safe and then protected with this little plastic. Then I left a little bit here to show you guys, so it will not be scratched or anything. First thing you're gonna do is put A on top of B, and then we're going to put one clear one. I'm gonna get my paper, and then to speed it up, I have here 3 types of paper, as you guys can see. A normal cardstock, those then you can find anywhere in supermarkets and everything. A little thick one, I think is at 35 or 40 grams, and then the glitter cardstock then is very thick. So we're just gonna play around and see what they do. We're gonna put a flower here, a butterfly. Let's put a butterfly in here. Let's put these pretty flowers on the thick cardstock. Put this one here, and let's put this one here. So once you have all your dies on the top of the paper, and as you can see, there's a piece that is flat, and then that's a part that has a little bit kind of like a wall on the sides, and that's the part that you're gonna put it down, okay? So we're going to put the other clear one on top of it, and just let's try it. The cool part of this machine is because it's electric, and then you don't need to keep rolling and rolling. That difficult sometimes, depends on your material, depends what you're cutting. But I want to see, I did open before, like I said to you guys, but I didn't really use different papers or anything to see if it worked. Not editing, that's why I wanted to show the back. Let's get it. One thing that I want to say, then I never saw any video, oh, don't fly, any video tell me that, and I freak out the first time. Then I saw somebody using one of those die cut machines. I thought, oh my god, you just mess it up. Mess it up because it is now it's all marked. Do you see? Then you guys can see all the reading on it. But this, guys, this happens, okay? This is how it's supposed to be. So don't freak out, because I did freak out. I didn't know that it was like this. So I want to show this one. That was that first flower cut, then work really good on the normal cardstock. So now we're going to put in another one. Just see. Let's try the butterfly. That's a very, very tiny cut, and he cut it perfectly. And then we're gonna put the butterfly in a different one. We here have the butterflies, and this is a thick cardstock, okay? It's not thin at all, like I can bend it. But look guys, look at this. I'm pulling it up, but it's, let me do like this. I was trying to hold the butterfly, but I don't want you guys to think that it's stuck. It's because I have the sticker from the barcode on the back, and that's why it's getting stuck. It's not because you didn't cut it, it's because the sticker is sticking. Of course the sticker is sticking, but see, the sticker is not really helping this to come off. Can I get the sticker off? No, of course I can't. Okay, so we are going to unstick the sticker. Okay, here we go. And then you can see then the sticker is still there, but it cut just fine. As you can see, the butterfly cut it just fine, and it's much smaller. Okay, so we're not going to use the sticker side anymore because that was not smart. Let's put the first flower, then we cut it on the glitter paper. We are going to put the leaves on the gold paper. Oh, this one, we didn't see this one. It's my favorite. So this one, you see then it's already out because this is a more regular flower. And cut it very easy. But look, those flowers, guys. This is this. Do you see all those little details? Do you think he cut it? Let's see. I'm just putting my finger under. Look at this, guys. I'm not kidding. Look at this. Is it pretty? Look, just putting my finger in the back to try to put up. See, just putting it back. And look at this. Isn't it pretty? Now how easy was that? And cut it pretty fine. And this is a very thick cardstock. Let's see. So we're gonna put this pretty one. Let's try everything in this cardstock because, you know, it's the hardest one. Anyway, let's see what happens. Put it a butterfly. This one I don't need to show you. It's normal cardstock. It's gonna cut anything. Let's put a butterfly in here. And here we go. So what we do, get all the paper excess off, and then we have a clear paper, everything with the indentation down on the paper. Close it. And we're going to just do this. As you can see, I'm already getting in, no editing, I promise. I said that I was not going to speed it up or edit it. Even though I will not lie to you guys anyway, but you know, I understand. Now I know that can make even you on the video when you're not there, I guess. So that does stick on those things. So remember, don't freak out and think that you broke your machine and your husband's gonna kill you. See, honey, not broken. It's good. Okay. This one, as you can see, I already cut it, and it's like, what happened? Is sometimes it's still on the back. And then it's gonna come with a little tool, and you can just see those little tiny holes right there. You just insert it and they will pop up, just like that. This is so pretty. And the butterfly already came out, as you guys can see. Super pretty. And perfect cutting in one little try. And then for the glitter paper, then it's always a little bit more tricky, as we know, to cut it. Let's see how we did it with everything. The first, just popped it out. The little butterfly, just pop it out. The other normal regular flower, just pop it out. And this is the one that I want to see how it looks. So this one always comes this off. And then I'm just going to put it up my fingers through to see, and this one is not really coming up really easy. And I understand, as you guys can see, so much detail goes there, so don't do that because we're never gonna put it in the right place. But since it's just a test, I want to see if it cuts with the second pass. Let's see. And also the cool this machine is, then you can start and you see then all my materials there. If I wait to go all through, I can wait, or you can just make it come back to your side and you don't need to wait and make a mess. And then I think this is pretty cool too. I don't know why, but I think it's pretty cool. So let's see with the second pass if it made any difference. Look at this, guys. Now it's coming off. I didn't pull at all. This is a very, very thick cardstock. Let's see this one. This one, kind of like it, but not sure. Some of the places is still a little tricky. I will be scared to pull this in the middle out, but we're gonna try again. Third time is the charm. Let's see. Gonna put it right there. I wish, can I fit in another place? Because I don't want my paper. There we go. Let's see. Let's one more time. And I will just, it didn't squish the other side, guys. Don't think that I'm cheating and passing to sides. It just doesn't press when it comes this side, just comes off. So let's see if it liked it, the third pass. I think this one is, oh, I don't know if it was me because I'm being very impatient. Since it didn't come, I really did push. It came out, but it broke a little bit. But the other one just passed one and it did come off very fine. So guys, that's it. There's tons of dies. Then even though if you have a Cricut machine, if you have any others, you know, cutting machines, this sometimes is so much easier. You have a hello, you have, you know, something, and then you can just look and cut it pretty fast. I want to show some of the dies. Then I have, slowly we're gonna go through videos, but tell me what you want to see. If you want to see more letters, more of the 3D dies, then we have like a pretty rainbow shaker, then is really cute, then we can make it and I can show you guys where to get it and a really good price, you know. So we have, you know, moons. You're making a card, you just need a moon on a, you know, a spaceship, and you don't want to turn your computer on, turn everything on, and then, you know, do it. We have even like Disney letters for those cut dies, and they're super cool. For embossing, I gonna tell you the truth, I don't have too much, and this is what I said when I had it right like years and years and years and years ago. I cut a bug and it started making these marks and I didn't know what it was, and it didn't really, like, it was so hard to turn, and I wanted to use different materials, different things, and I couldn't, and then I never used anymore. So it stayed here forever and I never did until I start looking to use my dies, because I bought all that and I never really use it. And for the embossing, the same thing. You have tons of types of embossing. Then you can see, and then we can look where we can use it or where you guys can find it. So if you're looking for something specific, just let me know, and then we can start from them, or we're gonna just start making really cool things together. Thank you so much, guys, and I will talk to you on the next video. Bye.